A team of scientists known as Physicus was looking for a means to mutate chemicals in animals. In a way that might be used as a weapon. To conquer the world. One day, a sudden explosion occurred and destroyed the laboratory they used to experiment. Resulting in the mutation of elements in animals that was later called Elementum.
There was a boy named Matt who lives in the city. One day he decided to wander near the forest, when suddenly an explosion occurred in the city which is near the forest he was in. He rushed to the place where the explosion occurred, and upon reaching the place he saw a laboratory which exploded. He was aware what was happening inside the lab where scientists try to mutate animals. He witnessed the cruel actions of a certain scientist before the explosion happened. After that he saw a different creature that is look unconscious. Because of his curiosity, he got the unknown creature and secured it with his jacket and ran going back to his secret base. Suddenly, the unknown creature like a monster appeared in front of him. It seems that the monster somewhat took liking to him, and so, Matt have his resolve to find out what happened to these mutated creature and the explosion of the lab.
yeah, we want retribution.